Oh, heaven. I am in heaven. Oh, this is so good. Oh, yes. Yes. Oh my God, I can hear them. I can hear them. We're just gonna look like we living today. We're not dead because we're wearing a mask. Because, you know, gotta wear a mask. Ooh. Yeah, I just don't want to look dead. That's all. Can I look like I live, like I am normal? I mean, I don't want to wear makeup. I feel like I have. Look at that. Look at that. Stress. This is all stress. I've never ever had this bad before ever in my life. Terrible. Terrible, terrible, terrible. Oh, let me have some more. Oh, yes, baby. Tell I'm getting older because all I want to do is just sit down and have a cup of coffee in peace. Hi you guys, it's me, Be Unique. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hello and welcome. If you're returning, you know you guys are awesome. So today's video is going to be a review on the Olaplex number 0. They are notorious for repairing hair and hair health and just all that good stuff. So when this came out, my friend, who is a hairdresser, she does my hair, she had this and I was like, I need something that, what do you recommend? And she was like, here, grab this, and I did. So yeah, let's just jump right into it. So, as you guys know, I am blonde now, and I recently got my hair done almost a month ago because, I mean, you could tell I got some roots going on. But I had purchased this through my hairdresser, and it came with, I don't know why I jumped out the box. I don't even know why. But it retails for about 40 bucks. It comes with like a little ounce sample size of the Olaplex number 3, which they came out with, I believe, first. Before this treatment anyway, if that makes any sense. And that treatment has done wonders to many people. I have used it. I know it works great. So this, in a sense, is supposed to intensify that treatment or prep your hair. So again, it's 40 bucks. It's pretty expensive, but considering, so far, I ain't got nothing bad to say. But yeah, we're gonna go right into the clips. I've used this product 4 times now. Let's see, I came home from my hair. I think later that week I'd done the first treatment. And in my opinion, you can see like the change in my hair. So yeah, without further ado, let's get on with that. Okay, so here is my first treatment that I'm going to be putting in my hair. This is my hair before the treatment. I did wash my hair. It didn't necessarily say that you had to wash your hair before doing this treatment, but my hair was dirty and oily from the sweat during the week, and I just felt like I wanted to give this product the best chance possible. So every time I do this treatment in these 4 sessions, I do wash my hair prior because I only wash my hair once a week. So that just, and the sweat from my workouts, it's nasty, but the instructions say on dry hair to saturate from root to tips. So I'm started on my ends first because those is, oh my God, those are where I see the most damage. So you'll see me going through, and it's the same throughout each of the 4 sessions of treatments. It's the same steps. But yeah, just putting it in, I find that this bottle is a little difficult to use because you're trying to make sure that it's evenly saturated, but yet and you're also squeezing it out, the product. So it's like, is it coming out? Is it not coming out? I don't know. I can't really see. I feel like it should have been a spray bottle or something. I don't know. Maybe Olaplex can fix that, but that's really the only downfall about the packaging of this treatment. So now it says to wait 10 minutes. So I just had my hair up in a little shower cap thing. And now it is time to apply the Olaplex number 3. That as well states to leave it in for 10 minutes. The first time around, I think I did leave it in for 10 minutes, and then every time after, I just left it in until I couldn't take it anymore to really let it do its magic, if you will. So after that's done, it's time to wash out. I did also purchase the Olaplex 5 and 4 shampoo and conditioner. And after that's done, I did dry my hair with a blow dryer on cool, and this is what it looks like after it's all dried. Considering from the first initial treatment, I noticed a big difference. I don't know if you guys noticed, but I feel like it was less frizzy than the first time around, and I was pretty impressed. My hair didn't feel dry, it didn't feel nasty. It still looks frizzy, but not as much as it did before the treatment. So this is the second time of me using the treatment, and I just slept in with some braids. So I wanted to see what my hair would look like, just kind of air drying in braids. And I was pleasantly surprised. I thought my hair was going to be very dry and lifeless, but that looks pretty good. And that's after, again, one treatment. So I did buy a wet brush because I felt like my hair was probably damaged by the brushing. So I feel like this definitely helps. And even when I brush it out, I mean, it doesn't look bad at all. So I was very impressed. But yeah, so I'm just prepping my hair again for the initial treatment. Now this time my hair didn't feel that dirty, so I decided not to wash. And I just went ahead and applied. But I've noticed after the treatment, I just felt like it didn't do enough. So I prefer to wash my hair before doing the treatment, but to each their own. So after I put in the Olaplex number 0, I'm just brushing through and make sure that everything is fully saturated and even as possible. As you can see, like my hair, it's in there. It is in there. And then it's going to sit for another 10 minutes. I believe this time I accidentally forgot to put my timer on. I think I left it on for 20 minutes, but you guys get the point. So yeah. So after I did number 0, number 3, I'm washing everything out. And then I decided not to blow dry my hair on a cool setting. I just wanted to see what it would look like air dry. So for the rest of the treatments, this is my second one, the third one, and the fourth one, I let my hair air dry, and I noticed a big difference in the comparisons. I don't know, I mean, even though I didn't use any heat, it was on a cool setting, but I just felt like air drying was the better option for my hair. So this is my third treatment, and as you could see, my frizz is like so much better than what it was before. I am so impressed. I did, again, wash my hair prior, but after letting it air dry, after 2 treatments already, that is impressive to me. So I'm just going ahead with this process, and then I'll show you the end results of this treatment. Then after all that's done, look at the difference. That's with air dry. That's amazing. So this is the 4th treatment, and this was yesterday actually. That's before I actually started putting number 0 in, and after my wash. As I brush it through, it did get a little frizzy, but considering where we started from to now, that's amazing. I mean, I am very impressed. I would definitely repurchase this product over and over and over again. Would recommend it 100%. I mean, yeah, I can't get over that. Just the whole thing is just amazing to me. Now this is my hair air dried and after the 4th treatment. It's a little frizzy from the brushing. I noticed that every time I brush it, it does get a little frizzy, but I mean, it's not like sticking out. It's frizzy, but it's like, okay, this is a manageable frizzy. You know what I mean? But yeah, the comparisons from the start to now is so impressive, just so impressive.
So now that you've guys seen how it works, how to do it, what's your opinion? Do you feel like my hair looks any better? I mean, right now it's in a messy bun, and I did do treatment last night. That was the last treatment. And then I defused it. I did notice that, I mean, obviously it's not the treatment's fault. It's the process, the bleach process has kind of taken away from my curls, because every time I would diffuse it, I would have more defined. I mean, not defined, but they were more like just curls, you know, like today they were just like, meh. But I haven't done that since the bleaching. So, I mean, I'm noticing the damage, but I will have to say, overall thoughts on this here. Overall thoughts. Okay. I think it's well worth the money. 100%. This is my second bottle, actually. The first bottle got me through 3 treatments. This got me through the last one, the 4th one, which is there. And I feel like I have another 2 treatments out of this. And I will be repurchasing to help maintain my hair, because my hair is, I'm trying to let it grow. My hair is important. I feel everyone knows your hair, you need your hair, right? You want your hair, whatever. So along with the number 3 and the shampoo and conditioner, I believe they all work well together. In my opinion, if you're going to do this treatment and you're going to spend the $40, spend the extra money and get the shampoo, get the conditioner. A little goes a long way. You don't need a lot for those. It didn't leave my hair drying. My hair felt stronger and more manageable. The packaging is probably the only negative thing I do have to say about this. Like, you twist it up and you have to squeeze the product out. I feel like it either should have been in a spray bottle or maybe in a cream or in a thicker consistency. I don't know. I just feel like it's a little hard. You got, you know, and just trying to squeeze that all out of there. Just, it was a little bit of a pain in the butt. But yeah, that's my overall thoughts. I would definitely repurchase this, would recommend it along with Olaplex number 3, the shampoo and conditioner. I do have their balm, but I haven't tried that one yet. This video took me a while because I wanted to really review and see the changes in my hair for you guys. I will do another hair update review probably next month just to see if there's any major changes. And yeah. That's pretty much it. This video, guys. I hope you liked it. If you did, please give me a thumbs up and leave a comment down below. Let me know if you guys, have you tried this product? Are you interested in this product? Have you tried Olaplex in general? Let me know your thoughts. If you're not already, please sting my subscribe button. Come join my little beehive here with me. Help me pollinate my videos on Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, and wherever else you guys think you can help me pollinate my videos. And I will catch you in my next one. Bye.